time for you to start making is like right now. Yes guys, so you started the year 2024 and all your plans was you're going to make money, but looking back right now, it seems like you are not making money at all. Like you are making money, but you're not making the kind of money that you are actually, or you've planned to actually make, and you're wondering, what have I been doing, right? Or it is possible that you don't even know what to actually do to make money at all right now in your life. Now on this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 things that you can get started with that will make you money as you go on in the year 2024. Now if this is of interest to you, you want to subscribe to this video and also like this video. All right, don't forget to share in the comments which of these that you will be starting very soon. My name is Grace and I want to say welcome to my channel. Now my number one, without any further ado, is for you to actually monetize your skills and knowledge. Yes guys, there are a lot of things that you know that people would be interested in. There are a lot of experiences that you have over the years that people would want to actually learn from you. There are a lot of skills of graphics, skills of web designs. There are a lot of AI tools that you know how to use, and people would be interested in learning how to use those AI tools to grow their business, to get customers for themselves, to actually do things that relates to them or relates to their business. So you can very well monetize the skills, the knowledge and the experiences that you have amassed over time, and people will very well make you money. Now this you can do using digital products, right? Creating digital products of your skills, creating digital products of your experiences, creating digital products of your life experiences and your expertise is one thing that you want to get started with when it comes to making money in the online space right now. Now if you want to learn how to actually write an ebook and create an online course that people would be interested in, that you can begin to sell right now and make money for yourself, then you want to join my next class that will be starting very soon. So state in the comment that I'm interested in learning how to write ebook or online courses, and I will give you the link to join the class. All right, that is one thing you want to get started with, so that as you go into the year, the second half of the year, you will be making money for yourself. One thing you need to understand is that once there is a plan and there is a strategy and you are ready to follow through the plans and strategy, you will definitely achieve whatever it is that you are looking at achieving. Now the second on my list is for you to become an affiliate marketer. Yes guys, affiliate marketing is another way for you to make money for yourself. What do I mean by affiliate marketing? Now affiliate marketing is you getting people's products into the eyes of other people. So now you don't have a product of your own. There are a lot of people that have products out there, and people would be interested in getting those products. Now peradventure you have somebody that has diabetes. There is someone that has a drug or a product on diabetes that you can actually recommend to that person that and that person will get that solution and they will give you money in exchange, right? So you can very well do that by becoming an affiliate marketer. What you want to do is to look for people that have products that solves a particular problem for people. Look for the people that have these problems and bring them together to that product, and you are very well making money for yourselves. So when you get paid, the person gets paid for the product and gives you a commission. That is what affiliate marketing is about. Now the mistake that people do when it comes to affiliate marketing is that they just get this link and they just put it up there without actually doing further things that will make people to see or go click on that link. Now your ability to get enough people to click on that link to go see what the product is about guarantees you of a sale at the end of the day. So one thing you want to do is, once you sign up for this affiliate, one thing you want to do is to actually begin to put out content on a daily basis as it relates to the product that you are affiliating for. All right, so continue to put out content on on a daily basis as it relates to the product. Let people see your content, drive traffic to the content, and as you drive traffic to the content, leave the affiliate link on that content or in the comment section wherever you are actually using whatever platform you're actually using to create that content. Make sure you're telling people to go and click on that link so that they can get the resource or the solution to the problem that you have talked about. That is how you sell using affiliate marketing. All right, so affiliate marketing is one thing that you can actually get started with, and you will begin to make money for yourself. I have digital products that I have created an affiliate program for. If you're interested, then you want to send me a message or just state in the comments of this video that you'll be interested in joining my affiliate program, and you will get commission on every sale that you make, because I will be teaching you everything you need to do to actually get a sale so that it is a win-win for you and I, right? So that is one thing that you want to do. So affiliate marketing is one way that you can actually get started with making money for yourself. I have talked about monetizing your skills, your expertise, your knowledge, whatever it is that you can actually monetize it by creating digital products that will begin to sell and make money for yourself. Another thing you want to do is to begin to drop ship for people. So there are a lot of products out there that are selling and people are really interested in buying those products. What you want to do is you want to get reach out to the suppliers of this product and put up a bargain whereby you begin to drop ship that product. Now the difference between drop shipping and affiliate is that drop shipping talks more of physical product, right? So people actually see this physical product, right? People see this physical product and they begin to show interest of buying the physical product. So physical product, you can get it from Gigi, for instance. Gigi is a website that you can go on to and sign up and look for suppliers of products and begin to talk about that product using content creation again, and you will begin to get people to see that product, and once they show interest, you refer them to the person that has the product. The person also knows that they are coming from you, and so that when the person gets money from the people that is buying, the person gives you your own commission. Now another thing about drop shipping is that you can actually add your own money to it. So let's say the person that is selling the product is selling for 5,000 naira, right? Using 5,000 naira if you're in Africa, Nigeria, right? It can be $5, right? So depending on your country. So let's say the person is selling for 5,000 naira or $5, right? Then you can actually add your own commission to it. So it comes in two ways. It's either you're adding your own interest to whatever price the person is pricing his or her product, and when the person that is buying buys, you remove your interest and pays the person, right? Or you pay the person directly and the person gives you a commission. So whichever way you think will work for you and the person, both of you should actually talk about it and make sure you come in agreement before you get started, so that there will not be issues at the end of the day. So drop shipping a product is another product or another way you can actually get started with making money for yourself. Jumia is there, Konga is there, Gigi is there, and there are lots more. You want to do your own research and get started with this. Another one that you can actually do that is not really famous right now, it is not out there yet, but people are actually using it to make money for themselves, is becoming a UGC creator. Yes guys, a user generator content is another one for you to make money. Now what or how does this work? This is you getting product from people, using the product and talking about that product. That is what you can become. So what you want to do is let people know that you are now a UGC UGC creator. So they give you their product, you test the product works for you, right? Then you begin to talk about the product for them. As you link, they give you a link that you can link to that product, so everybody that goes through that link also buys that product and you get commissions. So that is another business that is booming right now, but it has not really, it is not really saturated. People have started it, but it is something that you too can start if you are very good with public speaking. If you're very good with camera, this is something that you can get started with. And the beautiful thing about it is you don't actually need to show your face like I am doing right now. If you are a UGC creator, all you just need to do is to video the product that you are testing or you are talking about as you talk about the product. And once that product go viral, of course, people will get to click on the link that you have talked about in the video, and they will go get the product. You get your own commission afterwards, right? So UGC creator is one thing that you want to get started with. Now, doing all of this is guaranteed for you to actually make money for yourself. Like everything I have talked about is not a get rich quick scheme, right? It is something that you need to put in the work. It is something that you need to take action. It is something that you need to do for you to see results. If you don't take action, if you don't do any of it, you will not see the result that you are looking at seeing. So let me know in the comments, which of these would you be starting? Which of these would you want me to expatiate better so that you can very well start making money from it? Yes, if you want me to talk about how to actually get started with any of all I have talked about, let me know in the comment, and I will do a separate video on any of this that you want me to do a video on, and I will talk extensively on any of it so that you also can go immediately and begin to actually make money for yourself. Because these I have talked about are all the things that I do, and that is why I am bold enough to come out here to talk about it. All right guys, I will see you again on another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join this family by subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. That is how you actually support me. I'm not asking you to give me money, just support me by giving it a thumb up. Join the family so that you can always get notified whenever I put out a video like this. On this channel, I talk everything about making money, starting a business, growing a business, getting customers for your business, and living the best life that you ever desire. I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao ciao.